We start with this DNA sequence that will code for a protein that is 5 amino acids long. We first need to transcribe the DNA into RNA. And to do this, the DNA has to be in the 5' to 3' direction. So we have to flip the bottom strand like so. Once the bottom strand of the DNA sequence is flipped, we can write the codons and the amino acids that they code for. Both strands contain a start and stop codon, but the top strand is only 4 amino acids long, not 5 like the one we are looking for. So in this case, the bottom strand is the coding strand. The 5 amino acids in our protein are met, val, arg, v, and lys. Now we would want to know what would happen if a mutation occurred. In this example, we are showing a nonsense mutation. And a nonsense mutation is when a codon is changed to a stop codon and causes the protein to end early. In this case, the first A in the AAG codon was replaced with a U. This changes the codon to UAG, which is a stop codon. It is also a transversion mutation, which is when there is a change between a pyrimidine and a purine base. A missense mutation is when a base pair is changed and then that changes the protein made. In this example, a G was changed to a C, which caused the ARG to change to a SIR amino acid. This is also another example of a transversion mutation. Another type of mutation is a read-through mutation. This is when a change in a base pair changes a stop codon into a coding amino acid. In this example, the U was changed to a G, and instead of terminating the protein, another amino acid was coded instead. So it will continue coding until it reaches a stop codon. This is also an example of a transversion mutation. The final type of mutation we are looking at today is a silent mutation. A silent mutation is when a base pair is changed, but the amino acid it codes for does not change. So the protein does not change. In this example, the C was changed to a U, and both UUC and UUU code for Phi. This example is also a transition mutation, which is a change between a purine and a purine, or a pyrimidine and another pyrimidine.